Hey, what is up, folks? Welcome back to another Fish Meat for Dinner episode. Today I will be pre-fishing for a tournament that I have in about 2 weeks. So that's what we're doing today. We're out here on Lake Poygan or Lake Winneconne. We got some fish action going on. Fished a couple spots, got some blow-ups on a frog, but so far nothing super special. Caught a few fish, but that's it. So we're going to set up here. There's a rock pile. Kind of drifts down into the river, so we're gonna get after it. There's fish going nuts, so let's do this. Here we go. Let's get to fishing. Sean. Ah. Little smallmouth. Alright, dude, chill out. You stop now. Little smallmouth. Bring him up, show him to you. There he is. Just caught him off that rock edge that's over there. I'll show you guys in a little bit with the GoPro if I do some underwater stuff, but there he is. I'm gonna let him go. So definitely not big enough, but at least they're there and they want what I got. So he hammered that pretty good. This bait's been phenomenal. The last few times I went fishing, I can't put this bait down because the fish are just going nuts for it. So I couldn't be more happy that I found a bait that's working for me, and it's working really well. It's easy to fish. So see, the main lake right now is super clear, probably like 2 to 3 feet visibility, and here it's really muddy. So that could be a game changer. I don't know yet. We'll see. But it seems like the water level dropped quite a bit since I last been here. Probably 6 inches to a foot difference. Which, some of the spots I was fishing, I had some fish at, and now they moved out of there, so it's kind of tough. I'm gonna go back in this channel here. There's fish in there, but we'll see if they want to bite. It's a big hole here. Fish on. It's a good one. Holy crap. Let's go! Let's go, baby. On the Guggen Kraken craw. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Check that. Thought I was snagged. What I was doing there is I got this Texas rig, Guggen baits, Kraken craw. The blue on one side and the green on the other. And it's really strange. You wouldn't expect this to be here, but the current feeds in and it dumps off, and there's a little rock point here, and it dumps in and it kind of goes and it kind of makes like a weed wall right there. So I pitched it in there and just kind of bumped it, bump, and I was like, boom! boom, whacked him. So I guess if you can find current feeding into a small channel or to the lake, and you can have somewhat of a break or a weed wall like I got here, you can catch some fish.